space, style, and performance in one practical package. This 2018 Holden Commodore RS Sport Wagon delivers all that and more. With a 2-litre turbocharged petrol engine and a smooth 9-speed automatic transmission, it offers strong performance and excellent fuel efficiency for both city driving and long highway trips. The RS trim brings a sporty edge with sleek styling, larger alloy wheels, and a bold presence on the road. Inside, you'll enjoy a spacious, comfortable cabin with supportive sports seats, a large touchscreen with smartphone connectivity, dual-zone climate control, and advanced safety features including forward collision warning and lane departure assist. With European engineering, sharp handling, and the versatility of a full-size wagon, this Commodore RS is ideal for families, professionals, or anyone who needs extra space without sacrificing driving enjoyment. It's the perfect blend of practicality and performance.